All right. So good morning, Tajurba. Catalyst. Yes, Catalyst is your name, right? And let's talk about some basics of networking. Since it is just the beginning of your chapter and we are coming up with a wonderful training in details. This is going to be 2 hours training on this Saturday, your presentation skills. And everything goes into leveraging this Tajurba network to grow your business 100x. So that will be Saturday. Must attend for everyone. But let's cover a few of these things today, that what is networking and why it's important. I'll cover around 11 tips for a successful networking. But before that, some things about networking. There is no self-made person in the world. There is no self-made. We think that yes, I have done this, but if you look back, you must have got some support from client, a friend, a relative, or someone who has helped you in your career, or maybe your initial break, or got you a major client, or till now you are getting a lot of clients. But we don't realize that comes from your networking. So for example, when I started my career, 1986, I planned my first trip to US after 5-6 years of building up the business. And I didn't have money. So a friend gave me ticket on credit. I thought he's a friend. I never knew. Now I'm a networker. I understand that I was well invested in that relationship. That's why he gave me that trust and gave me that Udhar ka ticket. And he gave me $300 also on Udhar, that come back and return the money. When I landed at JFK, a school friend came to pick me up, allowed me to stay at his home for 1 month, because first trip was 1 month. That also was well invested time in life, in that friendship. And he gave me some money also as a capital to go back and fulfill those orders. So now I realize that how important was to have those friends in my network and who came forward and helped me. As far as the stats goes, 78% startups and SMEs get their business through network. 85% jobs are filled through networking. Even you get your job through networking. 75% of startups get funded through network. Kahin na kahin their IIT or IIM colleague is sitting at, or some senior alumni sitting at that fund house as a fund manager or something, and the help comes through. They give their audience, they give them a little bit of preference over other people. So let's talk about what goes on into here, and 11 tips about leveraging your network here at Tajurba to grow your business 100x, grow your personality 100x, grow your presentation skills. I'm speaking today in front of you. I've never done that before getting into networking. 2012, first time I got into networking, and I did my first business presentation in front of a crowd of 60-70. And that journey started that day, made me one of the famous speaker, and I'm become a trainer now, and I train people to do TED Talk and all the training. So that's what can happen to you. The learning here, your elevator pitches, your networking skills, your presentation skills go to the next level. Number one thing in networking is a formula called VCP. Is your visibility and your credibility brings profitability. So when you're visible here, the attendance is the most important part. If you come here once and don't show up next time, come here once, then let me tell you, you'll be wasting your time. Definitely you'll be wasting, even 50% of that attendance will not bring any result. So you got to be 100% present. 5 years continuously. I was coming from Greater Kailash to Gurgaon. Be it winter, be it fog, be it rain. Never late, never absent. Even in between, I had court dates, I had a lot of other things, and our son got married. Still no absent, no late. So that's the level of consistency, and if that consistency you show here proves that you are consistent in your business also. If you are inconsistent here, you give us a very clear message that you are inconsistent in everything you do. So people refrain from giving you referral, refrain from doing business with you. So be present. Everybody is busy. Everybody has got things to do. But this is your priority. This is your business. This is part of your business. And if you ignore this, you are ignoring your business, and you can't ignore your business. Like in business, I've seen people who give 100%, they achieve success. If you give 50% or 60% or 70%, it's no proportionate there that you get 70% success. It's zero. So you may go into minus also. So same here, this is your business activity. If you give 60, 70%, you'll go into minus or you'll be zero in networking. Choose a goal. Why are you here? How much business you want from here? If a ship sails without a destination, it doesn't get anywhere. It'll crash probably somewhere. But if the captain knows the destination, if you're starting your journey from here and you know the route, that you have to go to Mumbai, then you will 99.999% you will get to Mumbai. Now it depends, you go by air, you go by train, you drive, or you go by cycle, or you go by walking. But definitely you will get there. So choose a goal that this is the amount of business I want. I want 1 crore business from this group 1 year. Then work backward, how many referrals, what is your conversion percentage, all those things like normal goals we do. If we have weight loss goal, we broke into that, how much we need to lose weekly. Next thing, as Shilindar said during the presentation, that do your BDM, business development meetings. Here 15-second, 20-second elevator pitch won't give you much idea. So today onwards, start doing your BDM. And in a very, very structured way. Half an hour to you, half an hour to other person, send the profile in advance, get the profile in advance. And then know what the other person does. Try and establish credibility there. Initially the business will happen that maybe I'll give you my business. I will not open up my network to you till that trust is built. But we don't have that much time to build that trust. So build that trust in this 1 or 2 BDM, maybe second BDM or first BDM. Show your credibility, show your factory, show your testimonials, show your awards, recognition, success stories. Try and build the maximum credibility there so that the person feels confident and open the network. Very, very important part. Without BDM, there's no networking. You're smashing elevator pitch. Like someone here asked for a CFO, Coca-Cola company, Jay Kumar. So Jay, do a little bit of research on LinkedIn, they are available. Say the name. Your specific ask. If you don't know, you want us to do that research and go find out that whether we know the CFO somewhere we are connected. So if you have the name and everything, makes it more smashing, makes it more crisp. And sometime I have seen, I remember that someone asked Priyanka Chopra, the actress. And there was the real aunt of Priyanka Chopra sitting in the audience, Dr. Savita Chopra. He said, tell me the context and I will be able to connect directly with her. So have a smashing elevator pitch. And then when you are, connecting with the visitors or somebody for the first time, have an icebreaker compliment. Find out something good, genuine about the person and make that compliment. That will be a great icebreaker. That's a conversation starter. Next on my list is invite guests. This is the most important part of any networking. When a guest is coming to your home, what happens? You are your best. If somebody comes to my home, I would like to know what is the taste of that person, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, snacks are prepared, arranged and everything. I even arrange the background music, whether the piano to be played or jazz to be played, what kind of drinks, single malt, shivas or non-alcoholic drink, whatever the taste is, give the best time to the guest. So that's what happens here. When the guest is here, you are properly dressed, your video is on, you're smashing elevator pitch. If that guest happen to be some big shot, done deal. 30% business comes from guests to the networking. That's the research and that's my experience. One guest had invited, someone invited actually, another member invited. So my invited guests can give you business, your invited guests can give business to others. And if they like the setup, they can join, become members. The chapter grows, the relationship grows. One member had invited a guest, happened to be, manager of a very big private equity fund or real estate, commercial real estate, billionaire from Australia. So he comes to me, I introduce him to a couple of members who had been to Australia and done their studies in Australia. I introduced him to that. And after a few months, he comes and gave me a check of 2 lakh rupees. I said, what is this for? He says, he introduced me to a gentleman. I sold 2 properties to them in Australia. I said, wow. See, I want to introduce to the Martin Barnes. He's our principal coming from Australia. So we had dinner. And then we planned to go to Dubai, did a road show. We did a road show there, did some nice business investments there in private equity funds, and we did. And till today, I'm earning from that visitor. Anyone I introduce him in Australia and the deal is done, I get my, commission sitting here. So that one visitor introduced me to a billionaire friend, very big influencer in Australia. Besides some earnings, so your contact sphere grows and your money grows. So inviting guests is very important. But how do you invite? People have challenges. So there are a couple of ways you learn on Saturdays more, but quickly I'll cover that your vendors, your client, your neighbors, your friend, your social media, all these places, you can invite people. Your job is to invite. And there are ways that people will come. You don't have to sell anything. Don't sound pushy. Just invite for their benefit, that they are business owners. You'll meet and you have chance to give and get business there and increase your contact sphere. They'll come for their own benefit, and if they like it, they join for their own benefit. You don't have to do anything. Your job is to just invite. I was introduced and invited by an exporter friend to a network, and my life changed after that. The networking became my main activity and become business. The next is attitude of giving. You have to earn the right in networking by giving. If I give you some referral, I give you some connect, I think about you, I work for you. One story I want to mention here is that one lady asked for a person at India Homes a couple of years ago. So I went to LinkedIn, I connect with that person, maintained the relationship for 3 months, connected that person with some people, he wanted my help. I sent him a message, how can I help you? He said, sir, can you connect with this investor, that investor? I connected him. After 3 months, I said, this lady wants to meet you. I believe you have got some GPS devices ordered. He says, why not? Anything for you. And that lady went there, met that person and got the order of 1,000 GPS devices. So that is how I worked on one referral for 3 months to connect the person. That story went viral in the networking circle. So we need to do this. We need to work as a salesperson for each other. I scratch your back, you scratch my back, and earn the right. Once you become that popular in the group that you give to everyone, and when that group will start to work for you, the magic will start to happen for you. Next is follow up on referrals. Whatever referrals you get, follow up same day, if possible immediately after the meeting. Or if in BDM someone is given immediately after BDM. First, that shows to the person that how serious you are. And that person is already informed the contact that, okay, this person will be calling. So before the person forgets, your job is to convert that referral. I know a biggest converter, a friend of mine. He's into insurance. So any HNI friend of mine used to come to my group. I asked him, Jaspreet, can I connect you with this person within next few days? He said, sir, I already got the check. So he was so fast, he will connect with the visitors on his own. And next day he'll visit them and, talk to them and get their businesses and whatever. Be positive. Always come with a smile and the positive body language in the network. We all have challenges, but that should not be visible on your face in the network. You should be very positive. Even someone has given a referral which is not suitable for you, have BDM and explain that this is not the right connect for me. Don't spread the word, this guy gives a fake referral or all these things. Don't do that. Everything, think positively, because if that person is thinking about you, maybe he doesn't know about your business. Or maybe he's not well trained enough how to give a referral. He just told you, take my name and contact that person. No, that's not a referral. This is not done. We'll talk about it on Saturday, how to give good referral. And generosity is the currency of networking. Don't keep score. If you have given business to me, don't ever think that, I have not given you business. I definitely will have 100% mindset to give you referral. Maybe I am not able to yet find a right connect for you. But the universe is very generous. It comes back many-fold. You plant a seed of mango, you don't get one mango back. It comes from many sources and you'll get season after season mango. So keep giving and you'll get, the time will come that you will never have to chase business in your entire life. Last 11 on my list is take roles. Like visibility, credibility. If you are visible in the group, who is visible? The president, vice president, the coordinators. They are in touch with every member and they get maximum visibility of the visitor. They get maximum visibility of the members, they are the biggest gainer. And the other thing, taking roles is you sharpen your leadership skills. Every day that needle point move, you become better and a better leader. And you will not realize that in a couple of years, how your leadership skills are show up in your business, in your network, and people say, wow, what a person. Your positive body language, your smile, your elevator pitch, your presentation skills, your networking skills. You can close business anywhere, you can get referrals anywhere while traveling in metro or flight or train or anywhere you meet people. You keep on increasing your contact sphere and network grow to the next level. I've grown my network to thousands and thousands of people, and that's why I'm here. And we founded this company, Tajurba Business Network, and today we can think about having 10 million people in our network. So that's all from my side, and thank you very much for your patience. You've been a great audience. Thank you very much.